Hi, myself Sarvanan. I'm from AUKLR Technologies. I work as a CMO and a co-founder of AUKLR Technologies. We at AUKLR develop smart digital and Android instrument clusters for two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and four-wheelers like trucks and buses. So about SolidWorks, SolidWorks is not just a software. It is a strategic partner in developing the design and validating the design and documentation process and everything. So the kind of support we get from SolidWorks, it's absolutely amazing. SolidWorks reduces the investment in the failure rates, and also it helps us to go to very fast in the market. So really, it's a wonderful product for us. We look forward for support going forward. Thank you.